In this video, we will show how to rename PDF files by inserting custom text before and after the file name using the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. We are going to construct a file renaming scheme by adding different file name components. Each component represents a piece of information that will be inserted into the file name at the corresponding position. AutoSplit provides several types of components, including the original file name, custom text, and document metadata. To do this method, click on the menu button, select the Plugins option, and click on the Auto Rename PDF Files option. We are going to construct a file renaming scheme by adding file naming components. Click on the Add button to add the first file naming component. Here select the Custom Text option. Now type any text that needs to go in front of the original file name into the box. Now press the Add button again to add a second component. This time we will insert an original file name. Press the Add button the third time. Now we are going to add a custom text again. It will be inserted after the original file name. Now type any text that needs to go after the original file name into the box. Now press the OK button to start processing the files. Press the Add Files button to select the PDF files for renaming. Click the OK button when done selecting the files. Please note that the files will not be renamed at this step. The proposed file names will be presented for review, and you will have an opportunity to confirm the changes before the files are actually renamed in the next step. Review the proposed file names and press on the Rename button to actually rename the files. You can also press on the Cancel button to exit this screen without renaming any files. As you can see, the desired files have been renamed. You can now view the renamed files in the File Explorer. Evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.